Food and cuisine in early Islamic culture. Food was an important part of early Islamic culture. Arabs enjoyed hosting guests and cooking up delicious feasts. The wealthier a family was, the more elaborate their feasts would be. There would be music, dancing, entertainment, and lots of food. Every household, rich or poor, owned a stone mill or wooden press to grind grain to make bread. Most people lived in small houses or tents. Houses had small ovens built into their walls, but those who lived in tents cooked outside over an open fire. Kitchenware such as bowls, saucepans, beakers, and cutlery were made of wood, stone, clay, or glass. Some of the main foods found in early Islamic cuisine were fish, vegetables, dates, honey, and milk. Lamb and goat was also eaten by those who could afford it. Spices such as cumin, caraway, mint, and tarragon added flavor to a dish. According to Sharia, Islamic law, pork and alcohol were forbidden. Popular dishes included tharid, bread soup made with stale bread from the previous day; asida, lumps of dough made by stirring flour into boiling water; zulabia, deep-fried dough soaked in honey. These foods were, and still are, popular at the Muslim feast Eid al-Fitr. This feast follows the month of Ramadan, where Muslims fast, don't eat or drink during daylight hours,